guys, welcome back to my channel, That Chocolate Vegan with me, Erin Wells, and you read that title correctly. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, That Chocolate Vegan with me, Erin Wells, and you read that title correctly. Let's make a sweet and spicy kale salad. Let's get started. Alright, so it's going to be a really quick video, y'all. Most of you guys know that I have a garden that I have been tending to. I have watermelon, peppers, tomatoes, bell peppers, jalapenos, a variety of things, right? But y'all have been getting on me because the kale, it's been time to cut the kale. It's been time to cut the kale. I have made one kale salad and I just let the rest go crazy. But when I went to cut it this morning, y'all, I saw a bunch of like tiny white bugs and I freaked out, y'all. I was like, ah! So I had to stop and Google, and it says it's perfectly safe for human consumption if you happen to eat a little white bug. So I had to pretend they were white pepper, y'all, but I did wash thoroughly. I didn't even put the bowl into the trailer. I took out the vinegar, baking soda, water, and did a little 1-2-1-2 outside the trailer. Then I brought it inside to do a thorough washing. I think I had to wash the kale like 4 or 5 times, y'all. Like I just saw, this gonna sound wrong, dead pale bodies. I don't want to say. I just saw a lot of dead white bugs at the bottom of the bowl. So I said, it just wasn't very appealing. Even though they're safe, there's only so much white pepper I can pretend to consume. Amen. So now that everything is prepped up, let's go ahead and make this salad. Oh, and I also cut up some tomatoes and jalapenos to go in the salad as well. Sweet and spicy. Yeah, get into it. Yeah. Alright guys, so we got our kale here. I'm going to put in some avocado oil and we're going to massage. What this does is break down the kale so it's more malleable, easier for you to chew. I'm going to give it a nice, sorry. I didn't realize I still had this much water in here. I'm wasting my oil. I'm kind of ripping as I go along as well. You see the kale is already shrinking down in size. I got just enough that I can eat this all pretty much in one sitting. I'm not going to hold you. It might be 1.5. We'll see. But I know I can eat this all in one sitting for sure. Kind of just massaging and ripping. You can cut if you like. This is just my method. Y'all see how that's shrinking on down? It was a whole bowl full. And now she has really, really shrunk. Alright, let's set this to the side and let's make our dressing. We're going to start off with just a tablespoon of the avocado oil because we already put some in the kale itself. Some Dijon mustard. Just a little bloop, maybe a teaspoon. A splash of maple syrup. If you need a measurement, I would say about a half a capful. Y'all know I use this for everything, honey. Get your sprinkle, sprinkle. Get your sprinkle, sprinkle. 1, 2, skip a few, 99, 100. It's no salt, so I can keep going, but I'll stop. Use whatever all-purpose seasoning you would like. I'm going with this one. 1, 2, 3, 4. This does have salt. We're going to use some pre-squoze lemon juice. Yes, I said squoze. 2 tablespoons. This is not a lot of dressing. Again, I just made it for this one day, this one salad. Obviously, you can double, triple this recipe. This is just to give a little glaze on our salad. Oh, that smells fantastic. Alright, I'm going to go ahead and pour this over our kale. Alright, that left way too much seasoning behind for me, so I'm going to add a little bit more oil. Now we're going to massage one more time. Y'all know I got to give it a little taste. Y'all know. Because I'm thinking I might want some actual salt in here. I know that seasoned salt has salt. But I don't know. Let's see. Alright, here we go. Smile at it. Need a little salt. To really bring out the flavor of that dressing. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And just because we're here, we're going to add a little pepper. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Alright, let's go ahead and add in our toppings. I have some sliced almonds here. Now, I would prefer some cranberries, but I don't have any, so we have organic raisins. I prefer the cranberries for the tartness and for the color, but I don't have that, so raisins it is. Now let's add in some vegan feta. Now you can obviously stop right here. This is good by itself, but I want to make mine sweet and spicy. So I'm definitely going to add in those tomatoes and jalapenos that we cut up earlier. Giving that a little toss. Alright, here we go, guys. I kind of redressed it for the thumbnail, period. Alright, let's give it a try. I really think I went a little too light with the seasonings. I gave it a little smell and I'm like, hey, I know I'm not afraid to tell the truth, okay? I think we should have went a little heavier with the seasonings, okay? Not with the oil, with the seasonings. But we're going to give it a little try. We're going to give it a try. I tried to keep everything light on purpose because, you know, I love a good seasoning blend. But I was like, well, it's just for one salad. I didn't want to go too heavy. But, baby, I don't want to go too light either, okay? We want flavor. Just because it's a salad don't mean we don't want flavor. All right, so let's get a little piece of everything. A little tomato, a little almond in there. Let me get a little raisin bite. Okay. Smile at it. Hey, girl. It need more seasoning? It's not bad. But I know if somebody gave me this and I paid for it, it just needs more seasoning. Everything we just put on there, we're going to do it again. Let's fix it. That's alright. Look, I was just trying not to kill y'all with the seasonings, okay? But we not going to have no bland salad. What's wrong with y'all? Boom, okay? I've been feeling this seasoning from Tradarius Joseph lately too, so let's add this as well. Yeah, I'm not trying to add more oil because that's definitely not necessary. Okay, let's give it another toss. And then I'm gonna add a little salt too. And that should do it, y'all. That should do it. And I still have that lemon juice left as well. Alright, a little bit more salt. We're not trying to raise no blood pressure.
Is that blood pressure or what does salt do? That's enough. That's enough.
Okay, let me see if I need to add some lemon. Let's give it another try. Let's give it another try. Got a little feta. It's a good salad, don't get it twisted. It's not nasty. I love my toppings. Smile at it. No, this is good. Still light, still refreshing. Okay, yeah. I feel the skinny. Whether you have a garden or not, hopefully you do have access to kale to make everything we put in here. Feel free to make it your own. If you're wondering why I didn't add sun-dried tomatoes, y'all, I'm sick of them. We have sun-dried tomato meat out. I don't want to taste them no more. Give me a break. Give me at least a 6-month break from sun-dried tomatoes. I don't want, But you can add it to your salad. You can add it to your salad. I'm just, baby, I'm out. Y'all make this, and I'll see y'all next time. Bye. As always, make sure you like, comment, subscribe down below, and I'll see you next time. Peace.